Okay, so just to check things are working from my end. If you can hear me loud and clear, can you just put it? Just type a message loud and clear. If you can hear me loud and clear, please type loud and clear. Great. Okay. Raid Ibrahim, it's a new name for me. Raid Ibrahim. Is it Karen King? Raid Ibrahim. Are you Karen King? Raid Ibrahim. Yeah, okay, fine. All right. Okay, so great. And hope you can see my video and screen as well, right? Video and screen. Can you see my video and screen? If you can see my video and screen, can you just type? Yeah, okay. Awesome. All right, so total 19 people we are in group. 2% already told me not be able to manage it. So 17. So far, we are 10. So 5-6 people, hopefully they will join soon. Okay, so as you all know, this is our new business which we have started. So this is my very first session for this particular business. So I will try to do my best, but as this things grows, I will also learn, and whatever I'm going to learn, I'm going to teach you, all of you. So every Tuesday, we are planning the same time, 9 o'clock India time. Every Tuesday, we will have training session. All right. Whatever new I'm learning in this session, I will keep on updating in every session. So we are for our own team. Do not pass it to any others. It's only for my own direct team. Okay. So only my direct team. We are going to have this session every Tuesday. Okay. So hope this will work so that we can connect with each other. We can address the queries. We can address the challenges, and we all can work together, strategize so that we all achieve the common goal, the goal which I want my entire team to earn $100 per day continuously, not one day $100. Continuously, you should come in that stage. And in this business, I'm telling you, maximum within 1 month or 2 months, you can come to maximum within 1 month, I will say, or 2 months, you can come to this stage that continuously every day you are earning $100. Huge potential you have in this business, huge potential. Okay. So all required that your own conviction level, your own confidence, and believe in the system, believe in the product, believe in the system, believe in the business. If you get that, I'm telling you, there is no stopping back. There is no going back. If you believe, you can do easily. $100 doing a day is very easy in this system. Maximum within 1 month, if you do work continuously, you can come to this stage. Okay. So if you have any queries anytime, you can put it across, because it's a small group. My idea is to make it very, very valuable to all of you. Okay. So if you can, if any queries at any time, please put across, and I will try to address whatever in my best possible way. Okay. So this is a new notepad which I've started for this session. So whatever I'm going to teach you, as usual, that's how I train. It will be mentioned in the notepad. You don't have to concentrate on making note anything. Focus on the focus on the session. Focus on the training. It is getting recorded. I will share the recording, but please focus on what I'm teaching you. Okay. So everything what I'm mentioning, teaching you, it will be mentioned in the notepad, and this notepad, I will share it in the group. All right. So hope it's exciting to you. So $100 a day, which I want all of you to achieve. So can you just tell me who are interested to achieve $100 a day? How many of you are interested in achieving continuously earning $100 a day? Can you just put it across? $100. How many of you? Let's make it interesting. How many of you are interested in making $100 a day? Put it $100. I want the figure. Yes, $100. Yes, Arjun. Same way. I want the figure $100. Superb. Everyone. Only 5-6 people. Why? Everyone. I want everyone to put. I want everyone to earn $100 a day. Hey, Diego, bro, I thought you will not be able to make it. Awesome. Awesome. Good to see you. Okay. So my good friend from which country you are, Diego? Can you just put it? I know you speak Spanish. Which country you are? I'm not sure. I don't remember. I'm from which country you are, Diego? Can you just put it? From Chile. Okay. Great. Good to know. Awesome. All right. So let's just start the process from Colombia, but living in Chile. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Nice. Okay. So good to see you here, bro. All right. So let's start the session. Okay. So as we have mentioned, our group name mission is $100 a day. Nothing less than that. Right? I want each one of you to achieve this without any compromise. I mean to say not even a single dollar. $100 a day, each one of you continuously should earn from this business. You must be doing multiple business, do, no problem. From this business, I want each one of you to achieve $100, and that's our mission, right? So today, also, all of you, I have already started my 30 days challenge, and my 30 days challenge target is I want to achieve $2,000 in this business in 30 days. And today is my 6th day in this business, only 6th day. And I have achieved somewhere around 575 already. So 2000 is what I have taken the challenge. I'm sure I will achieve it. 30 days challenge. So day 1, day 2, I update every day in my business. Yesterday, I could not work. Yesterday was my day 5. I went out with family and all, so I could not work at all yesterday. Today is my 6th day. And my challenge is to $2,000, but I want each one of you, let's make it, it's the first month. I want to make it interesting. I want to make it achievable, everyone. So first month, from all of you, I want you to, or each one of you to start today. Today is your starting, today is your day 1. Okay. So every day at the end of the day, you put it in your message and like in our group, day 1, achieve this much. If not achieve, no problem. Day 2, no sales, no problem. Don't feel shame. Don't feel shy in putting that I did not get any sale. It's a learning phase, right? So idea is that in 30 days, you should earn $1,000. That's the 30 days challenge. I want every one of you to start. Today, day 1, from today onwards, no delay. From today onwards, day 1. So end of the day, put it in your group, in the group which we are having, day 1, this is what it is. I'm telling you the process which I'm going to show you. Every day you can get sales, every day. Even if it is one sales, $25, no problem. Put it, right? Doesn't matter. 30 days is the challenge. 30 days challenge, 1,000. On an average, 30 days is what? Around $30, right? $35. So on an average, if you're going to earn $35 a day also, you will achieve this $1,000. Even if you're starting with 25, no problem. First 5 days, you are getting only, in 1 week, you are getting only 2 sales, no problem. Right? Try doing every day. But even if you do 2 sales in the first week, next week you will do 5. Third week you will do another 8, 10. Right? So you will achieve this $1,000 in 30 days easily in this business. Okay? So each one of you starting 30 days challenge to earn $1,000 in the first 30 days. I want you to put day 1, day 2 every day in the group. Those who are joining later, they will start from there. But 30 days is the challenge from today. It's starting for each one of you who's attending the session today. Done? Hope all of you are with me. Okay, so let's start the training. Now, little bit, I just want to show the setups. And I show you, okay, so let me minimize my video so that I focus on this. Okay, so just all those people who are not able to navigate, I just show you the back office dashboard, how it looks. Okay. So first thing, when you join this, you have to do profile settings. All right. And in profile settings, so how to go? You can just go down and you have the set up your profile. Step number 7, set up your profile. So you can click on the set up your profile and then you have edit your profile here. Just go edit profile and you can username and all, whatever you want, you can edit your mobile number, everything you can edit. And very important thing is payment gateways. Okay. Now, those people who are in different countries, if you have a Stripe in your country, you can just set up your account in a Stripe. Stripe is not available in India. Okay. But those countries where you have a Stripe, you can create your account, a Stripe account, and you can get payment. So you can, if you have a Stripe account, you need to give the Stripe details here. Stripe, you will get secret key and public key there. You can put it here, secret key and public key. Those countries where authorized.net is there, you can get authorized.net keys here. You can put it here. PayPal, I request, what I suggest everyone, don't put PayPal details here. Because if everybody directly make money, make payment in PayPal, your PayPal account get blocked, because PayPal is not encouraging people having this kind of business, network marketing or this kind of affiliate marketing business. The PayPal is not encouraging this kind of business, online business. Okay, so this kind of business, so it's better to avoid giving PayPal. All right. So you can, like how I'm showing you, I just write it here. So I have given my PayPal account, but I'm going to remove. Okay. So check how you are going to do. Remove PayPal. Don't give PayPal email ID, because if you give PayPal ID, people will make payment directly to your PayPal, and then PayPal will get some doubt. Okay. So avoid giving PayPal. What you can do here in the payment details, like how I have mentioned, you can see here, if you are India, from India, people can pay me from Google Pay or Paytm. This is my number. International, I have given here PayPal, but what we should do, don't give like this. International PayPal. And you can mention here, contact me in Facebook or email to get PayPal invoice. This is better way. Okay. So all of you, what you do first thing, go to your PayPal account and make your account business account. If you don't have PayPal account, make PayPal business account, because when you make business account, you will have the features of creating invoice. All right. So that's how you put it, the instruction here. Don't give PayPal directly. Give the instruction. So when somebody contact you, contact me in Facebook, and then below that you put your Facebook ID and email ID. All right. So Facebook, put your Facebook link like this. So go to your Facebook account and you can find your link like this. So this is my Facebook account. No, not this. So this is my Facebook account link. Or you can also give your messenger link also. Facebook account link, message me in Facebook like that you mention, and then go there and put it this link. Then again, email and put your email. So my email is onlinewisdom with @gmail.com. So now see, this way process will be little slow. If people can make PayPal directly, it is always better, right? If this way process will be little slow, but it is better than saving your account, isn't it? Better than getting account blocked, right? Little slow. Anyway, they will make the first hosting payment, then only they will come to the next step. If somebody is not make the hosting payment and then they're directly coming to step 2, it will show step 1 only. So they will not come to know these things unless they make hosting payment. So they have given $10 commitment, so they will listen to you. They will wait for you. All right. So let's make it systematic. Let the process be little slow, better than getting account blocked, PayPal account, because PayPal is very, very important for affiliate marketing business, right? So don't get your PayPal blocked. So when he contact you, take his email address and you go and generate invoice in PayPal directly and send it to him. Let him make the payment directly to you. And after making the payment, he come and do the payment gateway. And there, when you are raising the invoice, don't mention $25.com in invoice details. They will ask details, right? Mention some digital tools or something like that you mention and make it. All right. Affiliate word, don't mention these things. What do you say? Yeah, don't mention $25 up. Don't mention affiliate. Mention digital tools, something like that. Okay. Digital consulting, something like that. You put in details and send it. Okay. And get the invoice and get the payment directly in PayPal. So you can get payment. You can put Payoneer details. Like if you have Payoneer account, create Payoneer account. It is worldwide accepted. Many countries where PayPal is not available. Like for example, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, all these places where PayPal is not available, you can use what is a Payoneer account, Payoneer, if my spelling is right. So that account also you can create. It's available in India also. You can create that account, give that account details also, PayPal also, Payoneer also. Give all options, okay? If they are from India, I have given PayPal, Google Pay and Paytm. You can, if you want, you can give your bank account details also. They can do bank transfer if you want. All right. So these are details, whatever you want, all the instructions you can give here. Okay. And it is also mentioned here, after making the payment, please click on the green color button below, payment is done, and share your transaction details to get the account verified, and activated. So once he clicks payment done, I will show you how you will get the alert, all those things. So what are the direct, except PayPal, any other gateway which are available here, you can use. For example, what are the gateway available here? Authorize is available here, authorize.net. Check in your country if authorize.net account is there, you can create account, put it here, details. Then you have, next you have PayPal. PayPal don't put, I'm telling you again. See, even the system says PayPal not recommended. Not recommended, okay? Stripe, you can put a Stripe, First Data Gateway. All these, whatever you have, Payza, if it is there in your country, put it. And then, I think this is there in every country. What is that? Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin wallet, put Bitcoin details here, Bitcoin address. All right, PayPal not required. So all these details, whatever maximum possible, except PayPal, you put it. PayPal, you can create manually invoice and do it. Got it? Put in that. After doing everything, just put save changes. So when save changes saved, again go to there, go to your this thing, setup, and you can go there and check your preview payment, how it looks. It will not look well formatted, but better than, see. So India, Google Pay, Paytm, my number I've given. International, PayPal. Contact me in Facebook or email to get PayPal invoice. Facebook, this is the link. So link is given, right? Email, this is the email address. After making the payment, please click on the green color button below. Payment is done, and share your transaction details to get the account verified and activated. This is how it will show. Now you see, earlier in my account, PayPal button was there, PayPal here option was there. Since I've removed it, it's not there. So people will look this, and this they're going to see only after making $10. So one commitment, they have made the payment. So they will listen to you. They will wait for you. Hope it's clear. All right. Okay. So this is how payment profile setting and gateway, payment gateways you can update. Next, compensation. So very important to understand the compensation here. All right. So as you know, you have multiple plans here. Let me go to the dashboard. So you have multiple levels here. Step 1 is the hosting. Step 2, which most of you have taken. Step 3 is platinum. I am at platinum level. Even in our group, Kadam Sai Charan is also on platinum level. And then you have diamond level, which is $250. Then we have enterprise level at $500 level. And then we have elite level, which is $1,000 level. So what are these levels? First thing, what is the product? Please understand the platform and system first. So why you have paid this $35? You have paid this $35 to get affiliate marketing training. I will show you the product here now, that what are the trainings you are having, what are the products. This training is training and additional affiliate marketing resources. Training is one of the resources, and there are many other resources which you will get here. And all these trainings and whatever learning you're getting, it is not only for this business, right? You are going to implement that any affiliate marketing you do, any affiliate marketing, but MMO niche, any affiliate marketing of MMO niche. What is MMO? Making money online. You can do affiliate marketing for any product in any market or any niche. Our niche is MMO, making money online. We are selling those products which is available for MMO niche. Means we can sell to those people who wants to make money online, who wants to do online business, who wants to make affiliate marketing. Those people only we are selling our product. Even those, I think most of you are from my Builderall team. So Builderall is also MMO niche, digital marketing and MMO niche. It is for other niche also, but we target MMO niche, right? That's our niche is MMO niche. So if you find any other product which is for MMO niche, right? You can market those products also using the same training, same process, right? You can do multiple products. I'm doing, at the moment, I'm doing 3 to 4 different products. I'm doing, which is all in MMO niche. All right. I'm selling people to those people who are into MMO niche. That's my specialist. So this is what. So the training, we are going to learn here you can implement for any affiliate marketing, mainly for MMO niche. Hope it's clear. Okay, so you are getting in this payment which you are doing, you are getting training and additional affiliate marketing resources, training resources and additional resources. That's the product you are taking. Now, product as a different level, $25 to $1,000 level. So people who are paying $1,000, he will get like much advanced training, lot of trainings, a lot of resources he will get. $25, you will get basics, right? That's how it is there. $25, $100, you'll get better. $250, even more better resources. So you'll get more and more resources when you go higher plan, right? Basic you get in $25, but you get some training and resources. So those things I will show you now, what you will get and how it works. So this is what your product. Now, when you buy the product, you also get the resales rights. So this is absolutely sales business. This is not multi-level chain business. All right. You get resales rights and you can resell this product to anyone, especially to whom we will send. This product is required to the people who wants to do affiliate marketing, who wants to do online business, who wants to do make money online. So again, MMO niche. So you can identify your target audience is MMO niche people, right? Who are already into or who wants to do. Identify those people and sell this product to them. And also additionally, they're getting this business opportunity. Hope it's clear, right? This is how it works. So you get resales rights, okay? You can start reselling. Now, everybody who purchased this product, first they have to pay $10 hosting. It's hosting, settings, all the setups, gateway, everything included, $10, which goes to the organization, which goes to the company. And $25 basic plan, $25 comes to you directly in your account. Means customer is going to pay directly. They're not going to pay to the company and then you get commission from the company. The customer is going to pay you directly. That means if you do, that's the beauty of this business, that you get instant payment. You don't have to wait for the commission. You don't have to withdraw commission. You get payment every day, every single day. And if you do 5 sales in a day, you get 5 payments in a day. That's the beauty, right? Isn't it exciting? So that's how it works. Whatever level you purchase, you can sell that level. Means if you are at 25 level, $25, you can sell $25 plan. If any of your people buys $100 plan, it get rolled up to one level above. Whoever is above you at 100 level. Means I'm at $100. If you sell anybody who is at 100 level, it comes to me, right? So it's better you sell $25. Hope it's clear. So that is how it goes, right? And everybody, every individual has to do one sale only one sale for their sponsor. Means all of you who are my team member, I am your sponsor. So you have to do second sale only for me. That's it. Only one sale. Only for me, one sale. Because I have introduced you to this business. Only one sale you have to do. So the concept is, what first sale you do for yourself. Means you recover your investment. Right? First sale you do for yourself. You get $25. You take in the money. You keep the money with you. Second sales you have to do for your sponsor. Every individual, only one sale, second sale. That second sales automatically, it's rolled up to me. When they're going to make the payment, automatically they will not see your page. They will see my payment page. Automatically your second person, only your second person will see my payment page and they will make my payment, payment to my account. They will see my details. Okay. And they will make the payment to me. It will come to me. The second sales came to me. Third, after the second sales you given to your sponsor, you are qualified. You are called as qualified reseller. You are qualified at that level. And after that, whatever sales you do, not even a single penny you have to share with anyone. That's why it's called, it is not referral business. It is not multi-level marketing. It is not chain business, right? I'm not going to get single penny from you, but I'm going to give you training. Why I'm going to give you training? Because if you earn more, tomorrow you will upgrade to $100. When you upgrade to $100, I will again earn from you. Simple, right? So that's why I want you to earn more. You got it? So not only that's why I want you to earn more. Please understand that. Okay. So that is the thing. So please, because when you come to $100 level, your productivity increases because your time is same. You are going to invest same time, whether you are selling $25 or $100. When you are at $100, you will start selling $100 plan. If you tell, if suppose out of 10 sales, even if you are getting 1 or 2 sales at $100, you're making your money, right? So those days will be bonus days for you. Hope you understand. So getting into 100 level, not right now. I'm not telling everyone to just go get into that. It is your call. When you are doing, somebody would like to earn, because the quickest you come, you start earning more, right? So I'm not trying to do resales here. I'm not trying to do sales here. I'm just trying to show you the benefits. That's what my agenda is. So hope it's clear. The compensation is clear. After that, every single sales you do, 500 sales, 1000 sales, 2000 sales, 5000 sales, every single sales, the $25 is only to you, only to your account, nothing else, right? And nobody can go directly to $100. They have to pay first $25, then only they can go to $100. First they have to pay $25. You got it? So even if any of your team is going at $100, first they have already made the payment to you for $25. Keep that in mind. So you are not losing your commission. You're not losing your commission. Hope it's clear. The compensation is clear. This is the only simple compensation. There is no this thing. So, and what do you say? What I was going to say. Achha, nothing. I think it's clear. So this is what it's, if you have any queries so far about the product, about the business, and about the compensation, I can explain. Because if you ask questions, it will be easier for me to explain, because it's the first session. Yeah. Only listening right now. It's okay. I can't hear. Prem is saying I can't hear. Everyone can hear. Yeah, everyone. So if you have any questions so far in compensation, in plan, Riyadh, no, is the third sale also? No, 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 only second sales. That's it. No third sale. Only second sales is uprolled to your sponsor. That's it. No third sale. Only second sale. All right. After the third sale onwards, 100,000, 5,000, 10,000, 5,000, doesn't matter how many sales you do. Every single sales, you are not going to share commission, even $1 with anyone. It's absolutely your money. Imagine. At every level, yes, at every level. So when you upgrade to $100, your second sales at you have to qualify at every level. That is how the concept is. You have to qualify at every levels. So if you go to $100, again your $100 ka, if you go to $100, then you are doing $25 sales, no problem. Your second $100 sales will be uprolled to your sponsor. You got it? At every level you have to qualify. Hope you're clear. Kadam Sai Charam. Done? Can I proceed further? It's 9:30. Let's proceed further. Hope it's clear so far. Okay, so profile setting and payment gateway is done. Compensation. Can hear it. Yes. Okay, so compensation is done. Now let me show you some back office tour. So let me show you, especially those people who have not explored, who is not knowing what and all, where it is. So those things let me show you. So I have shown you set up your profile and payment gateway, you'll go there, right? And then here you have dashboard. So every time you click here, you come to this dashboard, and in dashboard you have this video. So it shows here how many page views, how many emails sent, total contacts, how many daily referrals, all those things show here. And here you have all the different levels. And this video shows you, again, it gives you back office tour. So please watch this dashboard video. This gives you complete back office tour. Okay, please do watch. And then here your sponsor name will be mentioned, and message me. So you give your link in your account, it will come to your, if they want to message you. And then you have here, so in the left side menu, you have this dashboard. After that you have my account. So when you click on my account, your profile, edit, meet a sponsor page. This is only for the platinum level features. This will not be for gold level features, right? So say I'm at platinum level, we can edit. So edit your YouTube room. These all are for platinum level. No, edit your YouTube room is not for platinum also. It is for diamond. I think so. Let me check. Yeah. See, it is for diamond level. It is for diamond level. So that's why it's not going. All right, and then you have my business here. So in my business, you have two things. One is confirm payment and one is commission. So first, let's go to confirm payment. So anybody who clicks on payment done, once somebody make the payment to you $25, and after that they have to go to step 2. Let me open one more page so easy for me. So after making the payment to you, they have to again go to step 2, or it's showing already paid. Okay. So I shown you, right, in payment profile, that how payment preview, that how it shows like this. Let me show. So here is the preview payment. So this is how after making the payment, when they click again on step 2, this is how the page will come. They have to click here on payment done. And when click on this payment done, this is the number opens. They can give the tracking number, like whatever the transaction number or whatever additional information. It is not mandatory. They can, if they don't want to give anything, they can just type ABC also. Something they can type and details that how they made the payment, and they can submit. Once they click this submit, you get the here it will show payment note. Right now it's not showing because nothing is there. So it will show here that somebody has made the payment. You verify whether you have done, you got the payment or not. You check your account whether you got the payment, PayPal or bank account, whatever it is. You check your account whether you got the payment or not. After you verify that yes, you received the payment, you will have the option here, approve or deny. You can approve. Sometimes some people will send you to same person 2-3 times. Approve only once and other times deny. You got it? So click approve. Done. You click approve. It's done. It will show here in your commission also, and here it will show all your accounts, like every person who has created the account. Somebody like this, somebody who has created the account, this Mubashir, he has created the account, but he has not even paid hostings. So it is showing inactive. Hostings, gold, platinum, diamond, everything is showing inactive. So somebody who created the account, it will show the list here. This is how you can search here also. You can type the name here, you can search, right? So like this person, he has only paid hostings. He has not paid gold still. So it's not showing. So that's how it will show here. Then next thing you have in my business is commission. So when you go to commission, it will show your commission, today's commission, yesterday commission. Yesterday I told you I did not work. And then your last 7 days commission, last 30 days commission, last 365 days commission, and all time. And today is my 6th day in this business. And in 6 days, I have earned $525. This is how it is. So my mission, as I told you, not only 525, actually it is 550. I've already got money for one account, but he said that Tuesday, he doesn't want to start. He wants to start on Wednesday. So after 12 o'clock in the night, I have to start his account. So $550 I have already got. So this is the income, what we have in last 6 days. So I'm sure I will achieve this $2,000 in this thing. So it's very easy to sell this product. If you follow the process, I'm going to show you that. So it's why I'm showing you all this thing, not to show off, to make you believe, right? I'm showing you live, so there is no fake things. Every day I'm updating my Facebook account also, because I have taken this challenge, 30 days challenge, and I'm updating this in every day in my Facebook account. So it's transparent, okay? So today's income, you can see here, this is what it is. So this is about my business. Then you go to gold products. So all of you, gold products, this is how you get the training. So click on this pre-written ads and see all the trainings you have here, resources. You have all the resources training here, members area, resources. So this is like gold level directly selected. If you don't want, you can just go step by step. So first one is compensation overview. So you can click here, compensation overview, and you have, like you click this. So compensation overview is a module where you have one video. It is showing one, means one video you have. So you can watch this video to understand your compensation structure properly. Then you have mindset motivation. So mindset motivation, you have these 2 videos. Then you have system training, total 17 videos you have to understand the complete system, like how to set up your profile, payment, confirm payments, all those things, Stripe, different payment gateways. Then how to edit your offer page, how to edit autoresponder, how to set these things. These are like some additional third-party tools. Then how to edit your dashboard videos. And if you see the yellow page, so this is like all system. Total 17 videos are there. You can see here 3, 3, 6, 12, 6, 17 videos. 17 different videos you have for this. Then you have gold level. So people who are in at gold levels, they will get these things. So in gold levels, what are the things you have? Now you see 6 different modules you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, first one is pre-written ads. Okay. So you have pre-written ads, means pre-written additional resources, which I told you, content. And these resources you can use for any affiliate marketing in MMO niche, Okay. So you have this, you can see some trigger words or phrase which you should use, not only for this business. I'm telling you, even for Builderall, even for other MMO product which you have, you can use here. Like these are the triggers. These are the words which triggers. Okay. These are the words and phrase you should preferably use in your postings. And then you have daily ad post. You can see daily ad post you have. Then you have headlines for ad posts. See, just imagine how many posts you have, which you can take. You can mix couple of, you can do editing, all those things you can do, but you're getting so many ideas, pre-written ad posts, which you can promote in Facebook groups and all. So you have that. Then you also have Facebook posts and tweets, like for your own personal wall, you have so many posts and tweets. Then you have Facebook message inbox response, how you should respond to them. Then you also have made an account, people who made an account, what message you should send to him. The cold call script you have. Then you also have cold call presentation emails. Then you have prospect emails, email swipes you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have so many email swipes. You can see here. All right. So this way you have your, these are some resources. We are getting pre-written ads and resources. Then you have ad copy, Facebook ad, people who want to do FB ads. For that, you have cheat sheet here. You have the cheat sheet here. You can see that. Then you have Facebook group cheat sheet video. Means you have a video how to post in Facebook groups. So this, again, I'm telling you, whatever you're going to, this is a training resources for any affiliate marketing business on MMO niche. So you can watch this video and learn how to promote in Facebook groups, what kind of groups you should target and all those things. Then you have 50 ways ideas to promote any business, 25 business mindset training. You have multiple, more mindset motivational training videos you have, excellent quality resources, all this I will say. So these all you get in gold level. Those who are in platinum level, they get additional resources like Facebook strategy, YouTube strategy, and Instagram strategy. Means how to affiliate through Facebook, YouTube, and excellent resources, I will say. If you click on this Facebook, now see how many videos you have for Facebook strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's page get downloaded. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 videos on Facebook strategy alone. How to promote any MMO niche product in Facebook. Facebook strategy you have. Then you have YouTube strategy. YouTube. Again, see how many videos are there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 videos on YouTube strategy. Very quality resources, I will say. Then you have Instagram training, how to promote from through Instagram. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 videos for Instagram also. Just imagine, this is additional what you get in platinum level. And then furthermore, we can't access now because I don't have account. And then after that, after this elite level, you can see here, my digital franchise. So you get many funnels. I will show you. So how digital franchise funnel. What is digital franchise funnel? You know, 360-degree program. Not only this, this particular business, you can also promote Builderall. You can also promote additional digital marketing tools like email marketing tools, Facebook marketing tools, like 4 or 5 different, like 360-degree, 5, 6 different products. All together you can promote in one funnel, and that is digital franchise funnel you have. So you are not selling one business, you can sell digital franchise all together in one funnel. It's a high ticket, that's very high ticket. Then you have Pro Cash network funnel, daily residual system training, postcard templates you have. Then you have submit a support ticket. So all these things, resources, what you are getting, these all you get even at gold level also. These all which I'm telling you, after this is all even you get at gold level also. So all this you are getting, you need to just explore more and more and learn and then go ahead. So these all, I told you, so these all packages we can't access. Now, after that, you have this funnel pages. So let me show you all the funnels, how to get links. So that's our next things. Back office tour is done. Training product is done. I shown you the training product also. Now, how to get your link to promote means funnel pages. So go to this funnel pages in the left side, and here you have funnel pages. All right. So funnel pages. Now you can see so many funnels you have. You have to explore. See, I tell you one more thing. Never share any link with anyone without you exploring it. Keep that in mind. Make sure you are watching it completely and you decide whether this funnel is suitable for me or not. Any funnel you want to make it prime page, you can make it as primary page. So how to get the link? Like for example, this funnel you want to see. So you can just click here. It will open in the next page, next tab. This is how this funnel is. Watch the video and check whether you want to share this or not. If you want to share, this is how your link is. You can copy this link and use. So each funnel is like that. Okay, each funnel is like that. So like that, you have many funnels. Normally, I use for my registration, I use this capture page. I use this funnel. And when somebody register from this, it goes to the landing page where this video is there. I use this landing page. This is the landing page. So I use this. You can use anything you want. Over and above, you have many other funnel capture pages, leads, and some of the funnels are editable. You have edit page, so you can add your content, you can edit. So all these funnels you are getting. You are also getting multi, source income funnels where you can sell multiple products, digital franchise funnels. You have webinar funnels where they have pre-recorded webinar. You can first you watch the webinar and then decide whether you want to share. So you can share that link. If somebody register, they can register, then watch webinar, recorded webinar is there, and then next they can join the business. So you can watch that, you can promote that webinar funnel also. So you have many things. All right, so see, these all funnels. So this is my platinum level, so a lot of funnels are coming to me. In gold level, all these will not be there. You will have some limited, but all these resources you're getting. But this digital franchise, which I told you, you will get multi-source income funnels, you will get all those things, you will definitely get. All right. So these are the things in funnel page. So hope it's clear how to get link. Any funnel, you can just click here like this on this, and it will open a new tab. You can copy this link and you can start using it. Okay. After funnel page, you have contacts. Yes. So if anybody, so you have two things. One is just a capture leads. When you send the link, they just put name, email address, right, to proceed and watch video. Just go watch video. It is called capturing leads. They're only capturing leads. You got it? So that is your contacts. But after watching video, when they click join and they create their account, that is called creating account. Before making the payment itself, right? They have not made the payment. So if they have made the account and not made the payment, it will show here in your business, confirm payments, you go, it will show here. It will show here like this. You can see here both inactive like this. It will show here. So like this, you will have all the people who have created the account. You got it? But if they have just captured the leads, only that leads, basic, those things will be here in your contacts. So here is your contacts. And in that you can see contacts, view contacts. And here you will find everybody's, whoever is creating the contact, capture leads, it will be showing here. And below that, so if you can just minimize this, you have this minimize, then you have, sorry, activated also. One second. So this is your active, means people who have just registered. And then below, if you go down, I think it goes to the next page. Yeah. Now you can see converted. Converted is those people who have created the account. Converted means doesn't mean made the payment, created the account. So better don't see this converted here. It's better. What do you say? Created account, see in that business confirm payment list page, and whoever registered, you see here, it will be there. Hope it's clear. And also you can filter on top of the page. You have this filter option. Ask that person what is the email address. You can filter it by selecting the email address. You can check it. You can search here, and the list will come if he has registered. Hope it's clear. So that's how it is the contact page. Resources. So training resources I have already shown you. There are many third-party products like done for your traffic, means solo ads. If you want to pay, it's all chargeable. If you want, you can go ahead. But these all are additional payable third-party products. Means you have PowerPoint, PDF, you have set up sizzle call, you have Facebook, hot Facebook groups, all those things which are there. These all are like chargeable third-party things. Postcard templates is not chargeable. So all these things you have. Then you have meet your sponsor. You can edit only if you are platinum level. And then here you have leaderboards. So leaderboards show you last 7 days, last 30 days, and last all time who are the top 10 performers. So you can see my name in last 7 days. I'm the third best right now. In last 7 days, I've only joined for 6 days. You all know that. So 6th day, I'm already in number 3. And in last 30 days, only in 6 days itself, I'm number 6 in last 30 days. And obviously all time is long way to go. So this is how it is. And then support, you can support. So this is how backend, all the stores, every details I have given you. So next is sales training. So how to get sales, I'm going to train you. So if so far everything is clear, please ask if you have any query. Next, I move to sales training. Right. So if you have any questions, please ask. I can address. Any more question, please? All clear. Okay, everybody all clear. So then let's move to sales team. Those who have attended my Builderall training, I think 90% of you are from Builderall, my training, who have attended. Very similar to that because we are working on MMO niche only. So sales process is very similar. Little bit changes I have done, but everything is almost same. So you will be able to connect. But those people who are not attended my Builderall training need to focus. So Diego bro, please focus. All those people who have not attended my Builderall training need to focus. Okay. So any affiliate marketing business you do, online business, your Facebook profile is very, very important. So your business, like your profile should reflect your business. You are an affiliate marketer. Please make sure that every day, at least 5 to 6 posts you are posting on your personal wall. It can be your video, it can be some image, it can be some articles, it can be some tips, it can be motivational quotes regarding online business, affiliate marketing related to this business, your Builderall, something related to affiliate marketing. Every day, 5 to 6 posts you should put on your profile. Very, very important. Very, very important. All right. Use your older profile, original profile with your original profile picture. Do not try to create new profile. And there's nothing called personal profile and business profile. You understand? Make sure that you're using your original profile. Right. So that way you should use. Make your profile professional. Keep posting it so that, as I told you, when your prospect customers comes to your profile, they should see that you are really a serious affiliate marketer, right? So that kind of your profile should reflect that. Very, very important. Next thing is that the foundation work which we need to do, we need to join a lot of groups, targeted groups where we can sell this product. Now, as I always say, join 7 to 8 groups. Every day join 5 to 6 groups, I will say, okay? Every day, groups which are related to affiliate marketing, digital marketing, internet marketing, online business, making money online, multi-level marketing, all these groups where you join groups which are large group, 100,000, 80,000, 70,000 members, those groups you should join. All right. Any groups where you are posting it and post goes for approval, delete that group. Because if you don't delete it, keep it in your list. Every time you will go and waste your time. So make sure you are joining only those groups where your post is published immediately without any approval. If it is going for approval, it's better to come out from those groups, delete those groups. Those groups are not good. You got it? You will not get approval. All right. So this is how you should do. And slowly, I would say now everyone start creating your fan page, start creating your groups also. If you can develop groups, make adding people's, right? Raw people, like as much as people can be added in that related to this niche, it's better. Create. right? I have created one group where we have 500 plus people. I'm not my team Avengers, okay, separately. So that way. So please, slowly it will increase, right? Slowly it will increase. Offer them some free ebooks or something. Whoever is adding 10 people, I will give this free ebooks, or some downloaded some video course, something. You offer some value so that people add people and you get some benefits, more people. Let your network grow. Build tribe. That is very important. Build tribe. Okay, so those things are important. And join every day in this business. Doesn't matter you are 5 months old, 6 months old, 5 years old, 10 years old in this system. Every day 5 groups joining is mandatory, right? Not only these criteria, these are not only targeted people. Wherever you find business mind people are available, right? You should join those kind of groups, right? Buying, selling groups, city-based groups, country-based groups, right? Language-based groups, part-time business groups, multi-level marketing, network marketing. You have so many different options. Every day, think about one different category, search that and join 5 groups in that. More and more you explore, more use your creativity, more and more you different kind of groups you join, that's your asset, right? You will be able to target different kind of target audience. You got it? So hope it's clear, right? So that's the group. Every day 5 groups which you need to join. Make sure you're in at a time, don't join more than 7 groups. Facebook will block you. So join only 5-6 group. Every day 5-6 group. Keep that in mind. Like that you should go. Okay, then you have sales process. So in sales process, as usual in Builderall also I train, we have 5 stages: inquiries, leads, prospects, follow-ups, and sales. Same thing. Inquiries, leads, prospects, follow-ups, and sales. Hope it's clear. So you have process 1 and 2 we do in Facebook, 3 onwards we do in Messenger. What is process 1? Same thing. First we have to go stage by stage. Don't try to jump, right? If you are in an inquiry stage, you should only think about how to go to the next stage, leads. If you are in a lead stage, how to go to the next stage, prospects. If you are prospect stage, how to go to the next stage, follow-ups, and then sales. Go stage by step. Don't try to jump. That is very important. Okay. Process 1 and 2 is in Facebook. This already told. Process 3 onwards, Messenger chat. So process 1, what is the agenda? To generate more and more inquiries. You have to generate more and more inquiries. So posting into minimum 15 FB groups every day. Every day. One day morning you create, today this is my content. Content has to be unique. It has to be creative. Sometimes image you use, sometimes without image, just a small post. You decide what is the content. Every day you should change your content and it has to be unique. Don't try to copy. Do research, spend time and decide what should be your content. Content should target MMO people who wants to make money online, people who wants to do affiliate marketing business, people who want to do online business. Target those kind of people. That should be your content. You got it? So that should be content. Post in 15 groups, but as I say, don't post all 15 together. 5 posts at a time in different timings. 5 posts in the morning, 5 posts in the later evening, 5 posts in the night. You got it? That's how you should do. So 5 posts at a time into 3 times. Cannot skip in a single day. Every day you do. How will you get inquiries? You will get inquiries in two different mode: direct message and comments in group post. Those people who are commenting in group post, you can reply to them individually to come for the private chats, right? I'm being a little faster because all of you know Builderall. You have already attended the training. So those who have not attended my Builderall training, if you are facing any problem, if you want me to slow anywhere, you did not understand something, please ask questions. All right, please ask. Then only I will be able to answer. Okay, so respond to all the group comments individually to come for the private chat. Don't give any details or link in the group. You got it? So only ask them to come for the private chat. Process number 3, you got the inquiries. Now next is leads, means registering them for free. So give them link, capture leads which you have given, right? Link, let them and tell them, don't say tell them register. Tell them to watch the video. Before watching the video, anyway they have to register. So if you put message register, they might not register. You just tell them click on the link to watch the video, they will click. They will think it's video only. Once they click, they will see they have to watch the video, they have to put the register and they have to do. You got it? So that's how it is. So give them the capture leads link. to register. Once the capture leads done, it's this is your leads is done. So in that, what you need to contact those people, like first do initial chat, like hi, how are you, where are you from, what do you do, understand the person, what exactly he's doing, do little bit conversation, there should be little bit conversation from both sides. And after that, once conversation is okay, then you can send this message. I have already sent the draft today in the messenger group, right? I've shared in messenger group. So in this messenger group today morning, I have shared a draft. Yeah. So this is the draft. Make sure you are changing your link. Let me put again. Let me type here your link. Close this preview. It's glaring. I'm not able to see that. Okay. Hope people will understand. So this is how it is. Your link you have to put here and then put it. Okay. Clear. So this is a draft you should share to make them watch the video. Before watching the video, they will register. You will get the leads, capture the leads. Do not try to address any of their queries before that. They ask, say that this is why I've given you the link. All the details are there in the video. Please watch. If they ask any questions, make them to register and watch the video. Right? Make sure that you're going to all the funnels, whatever the funnel option you have, all the different videos you have. If suppose they are saying that, see, after they register, they land to that landing page only. So if they say, I have closed the video, so please give me the video link again. Now they have already registered, so you can't make them to register again. So go and send the landing page video, that video they will see. Other funnels also you explore. So if they're asking suppose somebody is asking some different question, you will feel that that question will be addressed in different video. Take that link and send it to him. You got it? More and more you do, suppose you are getting any queries where you are not able to answer, suppose your leads is asking, send that queries in the group, in our group, and I will address so that other people will also learn. You got it? So anybody, because it's all about handling queries. Explanation is given in the video. But if they're having any queries, please put that query in the group and expert will answer you. How to answer that? Whatever answer you like best, you can put it to your team, to your prospect. So this is the best way to learn and also teach others. That's how we will do. It's a small group right now, so we can do all these things. So more and more communication you do, more and more queries, let everybody learn. All right. In my next session, I will try to put more advanced things, whatever, because based on my next 1 week experience, what are the questions I'm getting? I will try to put some queries like how to address these queries from my previous conversation. I did not get time today. So next week session, I will like whatever the successful sales happened. So I will take the conversation that somebody asked these queries. This is how I answered. I will try putting that in my next session. Okay. So this is how it is. Verifying the registration. After they register, ask the email address and verify, confirming whether they have watched the video. Then what the video means, they have taken this thing, ask whether they're interested, their queries, they are your prospects. So after they watch the video, they are your prospects. So make them to handle, handle their queries, whatever the queries you have. They will tell you, I will join today or tomorrow or after 3 days or after 4 days, after 1 week. Give them confidence that this is simple business, right? If you work a couple of hours, you can really make money every day. We are there to support you. It's all about giving confidence. If you're there to, like, tell, we are going, it's a one-time investment, right? You don't have to invest again and again. Very small amount. $35 is nothing for any business where you're going to earn every day, right? So this is where give confidence to them so that they buy the product and do the closing, right? Any questions, any queries you get in communication, please pass it to in the group and we will surely do. So put the numbers every day, 20 leads on an average. Out of that, 10 prospects, means who watch the video, whom you're communicating after handling queries, right? Then out of 10, definitely 6 follow-ups you will have, because it's a very small amount, you will have higher conversion. Definitely get 1 to 2 sales every day. This is the daily sales process, right? So if you promote like this, this is how you will get. Invest time on quality leads. I will share the recording. Once I will share this notepad, I will put the Google form here, right? You need to put your email address in the Google form. You need to fill the Google form to get the recording of this session. I will share this notepad in our group with new Google form link. I will create the Google form, put the link, and then give it to you. And then you can fill it. So maximum by tonight itself, if everybody fill quickly, I will share the recording in the night itself, tonight itself. So sales process is done. Any questions? I'm there to answer. My training is done. I'm here to now answer your queries. Any queries? Any questions? Any queries? Anybody? No questions? Okay, can I invite Kadam to speak something? Kadam, are you there? Kadam Sai Charan. I asked groups for specific countries. So every countries, there will be different. Like I've given you categories, Diego. I have given you categories. These kind of categories you should join, but you can join different countries. Like any country you can target. General. There are some general groups, and there are some country-based groups. So I know about India. You should target different countries, like whatever your Europe and whatever the countries you have. You can target different countries, and you can definitely join those groups. I have given you categories. Use those kind of categories. Not only these categories, I told you wherever business people, buying, selling people, e-commerce people, drop shipping people, lot of every city wise, there will be buying and selling groups, city wise. Join those city wise groups also. So that way you'll be having range of groups where you can promote, right? And also in this, in your dashboard itself, in your account, you have Facebook hot groups. You will have these groups. So when you go to your dashboard in resources, you have these hot Facebook groups. And you can see here hot Facebook groups. You can see how many groups they have mentioned here. There are so many groups you might have not heard of also. There are so many groups here which you can promote. You can see the link. All the links are given. So now see now suppose it is mentioned here, MLM network advertise here. Now like this, you can join many. From here you will get idea of joining many other groups also, right? So like that, you just see so many groups are here. They're giving you. So you can see here, like I think more than 100, 200 groups are here, which you can, I think 100 groups are here. I'm not sure. So just imagine how many groups are here, which you can use for promotion. You have so many groups given in your dashboard itself. Join group. So many groups are here. And all these groups are easy to promote and highly convertible. Got it? Hope I have answered your questions, Diego. Yes, size and category important. So category I have given you size. See, if it is very niche, even 25, 30,000, okay, size, right? If it is very general, for example, affiliate marketing, general word, digital marketing, it's very general. Then you should go 100,000, 80,000, 70,000, like large groups. If it is very specific niche, right? For example, SEO, it's very niche. Then you go 30,000 people. Any small city based, even 25,000, 30,000 is very good number, right? So it depends on category. All right. So see, even if you are promoting in small groups also, it's not sin. Promote, right? Different ranges, but avoid posting in any groups which has less than 20,000, 30,000 people. That's what I would say. Hope it's clear. Excuse me if I lost, but you shared some example of some post in FB groups. Yeah, it is there in your back office only. It's there in this plan, $25 plan. you have it, go to your $25 page, you have $25 product, you have the all the pre-written ad posts, the example hundreds of more than 100 posts you have which you can promote there. And I will also upload one PDF which we have in other Team Avenger group. I will upload the PDF in this group also, where you will get a lot of examples. I will share in our Messenger group. You will get additional post example which you can do. But I will say that be little creative. Don't try to copy exact things which somebody has used. You can mix 2-3 ads, create your own. More and more you are unique, you will get better response. Unique and creative. And your post should be in such a way. See, when you're doing post, don't think that this who will buy. Don't try to give, you have to invest this much, you have to do that much. Don't tell all those things, right? When you are posting, only think about inquiries. Only create curiosity and create inquiries. Don't think about whether this person will buy or not. Don't try to do sales. So your post should create curiosity. That's it. Create curiosity and get posts, get more inquiries. Hope I have answered your question. A few more questions was asked before. Okay. Arjun, we are already posting 15 to 20 posts daily for Builderall. So different content you can use, right? You can post 10 for Builderall, 10, 15 for here also. You can use different content for different groups. Don't post in the same group. You will be having 50 groups, 100 groups, right? So, but make sure 5 at a time. And then after 4 or 5 hours, give 5 for different business. So when you're changing the content, Facebook will not mind. The problem is when you're doing the same content. So let's say 5 you're doing for Builderall first. Give 3 hours, 4 hours break. Then give 5 for this. Or you can alternate day you can do. Monday you do for Builderall, Tuesday you do for this, Wednesday you do for Builderall. You can do like that also, right? Because in one day you should not cross more than 15, 20, right? Otherwise Facebook might block your account. So be careful in that. You need to alternate, right? And for this business also we have to post. So how to manage? I told you, right? Alternate. So answer is done. I'm diamond plan. What is the commission if I get gold plan? No, if I'm a diamond plan, what is the commission I get for gold plan? You get same. If suppose customer is paying $25, company will, you are at diamond level, but customer is at gold, customer is paying 25. So you cannot get more than 25, right? You will get the 25. Hope it's clear. Okay, so Kadam, I'm just inviting you. Let me unmute you. If you can put some of your points, your experience, because you have also started. Yeah, Kadam, I'm unmuted you. Can you have your video?
Yeah, but it's no over here. Okay, I will manage with audio.
Okay, fine. Sure, Kadam. Please.
Yeah, fine. Somebody asked, we are promoting other business like Builderall. So how we are posting already. So how we can manage that? Yeah. So here, what you can do is you can manage that. See, if you are actually promoting Builderall, you can use it. If you think that the person can't invest, you can, when you promote this business, you can sell Builderall also. So when you're promoting this business, you go to the profile once. If the person is, if you think that the person can invest more, so focus on that. If you think that the person is student, if you think that the person have no technical knowledge, so you can sell this. So you can use it in a different manner.
From non-PayPal countries also.
Yes.
Better put this. Yeah.
Yeah, it's additional option, because previously we are losing these kind of people more. So we can use our quality time for these leads also, so that we can get more benefit out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Very good point. I just want to add here, because promotion is same, right? You are not doing for Builderall separately and for this separately. Promotion is same. So you have the conversation with them and you decide according to the profile whether you should pitch this business or Builderall business. If you see the profile is really good, he can invest, right? Don't ask about investment. Put your webinar funnel, what viral funnel we have, and invite him for webinar. If he doesn't join Builderall, later again you can put this business, no problem. But first, put Builderall. If you are seeing non-PayPal countries, people who are student who cannot invest much, put this business. All right. If he doesn't join this business, again later we can push Builderall. So no problem. You're not going to lose the leads. You have the 2 options now. If you have range of product like 2 options, your chance of getting sales and business is even higher, right? So you have 2 options. Hope that's what the point which Kadam was trying to make. Any other
Yes.
point?
True.
Yeah.
True. And actually, people don't confuse that we are promoting 2 to 3 products. So how can we manage? I can say you top affiliate marketers will sell 10 to 20 products.
Correct.
So you can promote any product. So just you have to think about the person, whether the person can invest or not. So it's upon you. You should not lose you are creating a lead. That means you should not lose him. You should make him to join any business. That's it.
Fantastic. Yes.
Yes. Yes, and the other thing is maintain your Facebook profile well, like a business profile. Don't use create other profile. Just make your Facebook profile very good. Give the updates in Facebook stories, and when you interact with a person, just connect with him. Just give some details. I am achieving this thing, that thing, and you can use the payment proofs of PayPal, any other PayPal, and you can just pitch him very easily because the investment is very low. So you can just create an urgency very fast. He will. He won't delay that. I will join tomorrow also. He won't say because the investment is very low.
Very low.
So here we get in the instant commissions. It's good about this business.
Yeah, that's the main motivation, right? You get money every day in your account. That's the main. Okay. All right. So hope things are good. We will have next session again on Tuesday. It's not that people who have joined already attended the training, they should not attend. Let's everybody attend initially for few session, so that because I'm right now 6 days old in this system. Next week I will be 2 weeks old. So probably definitely I will be better in next session. So I will be definitely teaching something new in next session also. So try attending more and more session so that you get used to this. Every Tuesday, 9 o'clock India time, 11:30 Eastern time, I think 4:30 London time. Diego, you need to check your timing. Okay. So that's how it is. Every day, and we will be recording the session. For those who are not attending, we'll be sharing the recording also, but please use it in a very confidential way. All these trainings and what I'm sharing, it is only for my direct team, right? You can teach these videos with your downlines, but tell them not to share with outside. Only to paid people they should use. You should not share it outside. So please make sure that this is not going outside our network or outside our team. It's very confidential. If I find that somebody is using, because I will get some requests and all, if I find that something, I will take very strict action. I'm telling you very seriously. I will take very strict action. So whatever we are learning, let's all of us work in team, help each other and grow each other and make $100 a day. That's the mission. And right now we are starting 30 days challenge to earn $1,000. That's your 30 days challenge. Everybody put your Facebook post 30 days challenge, because that way people will join you. Join my 30 days challenge, something like that. 30 days challenge to earn $1,000. Make some noise outside so that you get this thing. Tag each other. When people are getting success, let's help each other and put in our messenger group also to motivate each other. When you get the success, this is the sales. Day 1, day 2, start it. Those who have joined before also, no problem. Start from today. Day 1, this much. Like that, let's do $1,000. I'm working on my 30 days challenge to $2,000. That's how I'm working. All right. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks for the wonderful session. We finished in time. We will do better, definitely better in next session. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.